And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Yan, may mic ako. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So before I proceed with my topic tonight, I want to say hi to my favorite at pinaka-pogi kong boss. Boss ko sa bangko before sa Pilipinas, Sir Alan Abusejo. Hello. Pinaka-pogi at pinaka-mabait at pinaka-love na boss ko sa buong buhay ko. Hello, Sir Alan! Thank you for watching later yung replay. Okay, so we go to my topic. Have you ever asked yourself, why is everything changing? Minsan okay na sana, then suddenly may nagbabago. Your plans, your work, or even the people around you. And sometimes we fight it. Kasi sanay tayo na, sanay na tayo. We want things to stay the same, comfortable, predictable. But what if the change you are afraid of is actually the one that's meant to help you grow? So welcome to my series of Kape at Kwento, Series 75. Sobrang bilis talaga ng panahon. Naka-Series 75 na ako. And tonight, we'll talk about finding the lesson in change. How change teaches you important truths. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's talk about how to embrace change with faith, with courage, and with an open heart. So alam niyo ba mga kakwento, change has always been part of my story. So when I decided to stop working abroad, it wasn't easy. I was used to the routine, the security, the familiar life. But deep inside, I knew God was calling me to do something new. At first, it was scary kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari next. I was starting a new chapter, my own business, a different lifestyle, and a whole new season. But through this journey, I learned that change doesn't come to destroy you. It comes to develop you. So yung lesson ko, I have 3 lessons learned. Yung first lesson, lesson number 1, change reveals your strength. So sometimes you only discover how strong you really are when life pushes you out of your comfort zone. Yung lesson number 2, change is God's redirection. So when things shift, it's not rejection, it's redirection. If I hadn't said yes to change, I wouldn't have discovered the kind of freedom I have now. More time, more purpose, more peace. Yung third lesson is change is the start of growth. Parang seed. Like a seed, it has to break before it blooms. Growth will always require some discomfort, but that's how you evolve. And you know what? Looking back, I realize every big blessing in my life started with a big change I was once afraid of. Thank you for the like, Mansing Patwal. Hello. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Okay. So, if you're in the season of change right now, maybe your plans didn't go how you expected it, or sometimes feel uncertain, take a step back and ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Maybe it's teaching you patience, maybe it's teaching you faith, or maybe it's teaching you to let go of what no longer serves you. So remember, you're not being punished, you're being prepared. Change isn't here to take away. It's here to make space for something better. So tonight, as you sip your kape, I hope you find peace in knowing that every change has a purpose. So we may not always see it right away, but one day you will look back and say, ah, that's why it had happened. So mga kakwento, don't be afraid of change. Learn from it, grow from it, and let it lead you closer to the life you are meant for. Because sometimes change is God's way of saying it's time to level up. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. Today is 22nd. Okay. So I still have my go live tomorrow at the same time, 7 p.m. Because on Friday, my go live will be at 9 p.m. and I will have a very, very special guest. So if you're curious, you want to learn more about the business, you may direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.